Did you know that it's been scientifically proven that if you wake up in a bad mood, that bad mood will reliably produce a string of bad days? And that's because clinical research has proven that bad events influence both good and bad moods, whereas good events influenced only good moods. And when equal measures of good and bad are present in your life, the psychological effects of the bad far outweigh those of the good ones. So if you're in a great mood and something bad happens or you receive negative feedback, chances are high that your level of happiness will decrease. I mean, we've all had those days where we wake up in a bad mood for no apparent reason. I have. And that bad mood persists throughout the day and the next. But for those of you actively trying to stay positive and manifest your way out of your current reality, that's the last thing you need. But worry not, because I'm here to help you say goodbye to the bad mood so you could start your day off right with the help of EFT tapping. Hi, my name is Kelly, and I'm a master EFT practitioner and author of the young adult fantasy series Agents of Karma. And on this channel, I teach all things tapping. So we're just going to dive right in today. Okay, if you're new to EFT tapping, like a game and Simon says, just repeat what I say and tap where I tell you to tap. We're going to start with the side of the hand. We're going to tap them together like so. Even though everything and everyone is annoying me, I choose to honor how I feel. Even though I woke up in a bad mood and feel on edge and negative, I choose to forgive myself for feeling this way. Even though I feel snappy and irritated, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept how I feel. So we're going to go to the eyebrow. You could either tap on both sides of the body or one side. The body is a mirror. So we're going to the eyebrow. I'm annoyed. Side of the eye. Everything and everyone is irritating me. Under the eye. I'm in a bad mood. Under the nose. I feel snippy. Chin. I feel like telling people off and to shut up. Collarbone. I feel negative. Under the arm. I'm in a bad mood and woke up this way. Wrists. This bad mood. All right, I want you to go to your thumb, and where the nail meets the skin, I want you to take 2 fingers of the other hand and tap there. And repeat after me. I'm in a bad mood. I'm going to do the same thing on the index finger. I feel irritated. Middle finger. I'm so annoyed. Ring finger. I'm annoyed. Little finger. This bad mood. Now I want you to go in between the little finger and the ring finger, and you're going to tap. It'll be like a divot in the skin. Tap there and follow my commands. Keep your head perfectly still. You are only going to be moving your eyes, okay? I want you to close your eyes for me. Okay, open your eyes. Look down on the floor. Keep your head steady with your eyes only. Look down the floor, hard right. Now look down, hard left. Look back at me. I want you to look up at the 12 o'clock position. I want you to rotate your eyes clockwise from 12 to 12. So look up, rotate them around. Now go counterclockwise. Okay, look back at me. Hum happy birthday for a second. Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hum again. Okay, top of the head. This bad mood. Eyebrow. I don't want to be in a bad mood. I'd rather feel positive. Side of the eye. But I feel off. Under the eye. But I want to feel better. I don't want to be annoyed at everything and everyone. Under the nose. I don't want to be in a bad mood. Otherwise, I wouldn't be tapping. Chin. I want to release this bad mood and these negative feelings. Collarbone. I release the anger and agitation, and I invite in positivity and tranquility. Under the arm. I choose to feel calm and uplifted. Wrists. I choose to feel at peace and positive and excited for my day ahead. Top of the head. I choose to allow in peace and tranquility. eyebrow. All this peace and positivity. Side of the eye. I choose to start my day off right and on a positive note. Under the eye. I choose to open up my energy and allow in golden opportunities and abundance. Under the nose. I am open to a never-ending stream of opportunities and abundance. Chin. I attract a never-ending stream of abundance. Collarbone. I am so grateful that I know how to end a bad mood and how to start my day off right. So there's no reason to let myself stay in a bad mood. There's none. Under the arm. I feel amazing and excited for all the wonderful things in store for me. And I'm going to have an amazing day. Wrists. I feel amazing. And I'm ready for the day because I'm in charge and I attract all the wonderful things in alignment with my dreams and desires. Top of the head. Today is a wonderful day. And I am a magnet for amazing opportunities and abundance. Okay, press down for me, take in a deep breath. But just release all that negativity. Good job. So I suggest that whenever you wake up in a bad mood, just tap along to this video so that you can turn it around and start your day off right. Even if you wake up in a good mood, you should still have like an exercise where you open up your energy every day. It's what I do every morning, and it definitely helps set the pace for the day. So also, if you have any video recommendations for me, let me know down in the comments, and we'll see what I can do for you. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.